When your oil is ready, please start breading your chicken. First, dunk it into the egg wash. Remove excessive egg wash. Put into breading. Please make sure that you do bread the pieces very well. Please run them through a few times, about 7 times. Drop, lift and fold, press down, press down, please shake off all excessive flour and put down on your tray, your basket. Egg wash, pull away the skin, pull over the skin into your breading, the same. Press down, flip and throw, flip and throw, press down, flip and throw, about 7 times. Shake off all excessive flour. Now it's ready to fry for 14 minutes and 30 seconds.